With us we'll learn today, so fun in every way. B-I-S-O-U-S, Chef Bisous.
Hi mini chefs, I'm Chef Bisous. Welcome back to my magical kitchen. Magic Micro, what will we be learning about today? Boats. Wait a second, who do I see there? Is that Sous Chef Encore?
Ahoy, Chef Bisous.
Ahoy, Sous Chef Encore. What are you doing on that boat?
I'm writing a song about the different kinds of boats and figured there was no better place than out here on the water blue. Ooh, I like that line.
Well, the mini chefs and I are about to learn about boats. Once you're done, do you think you could share your new song with us?
Aye, aye, Chef Bisous. See you soon.
Bye, Sous Chef Encore. Okay, mini chefs, let's learn about boats. Boats come in different shapes and sizes. They can be small or big. They can be used to carry people and things from one place to another, for sports and adventure, or for relaxing and exploring. Whatever you need, there's always the right boat for you. Just like how cars drive on roads and airplanes fly in the sky, do you know what boats float on? Water. Today we're going to be making boat-filled jello cups. Each one will have a different kind of boat floating on the top. Since all boats need water, let's start by making some water out of blue jello. Magic Micro, which ingredients will we need for our jello? We'll need blue jello powder, boiling water, and cold water. We'll also need a mixing bowl, 4 clear bowls or cups, a spoon, a ladle, and decorations for our boat-filled jello cups. There goes our safety chime. Magic Micro is reminding us that safety in the kitchen is very important. Please make sure you have a grown-up with you to help you pour the boiling water. We'll be touching food when cooking today, so it's important that we wash our hands. Come with me to the sink as we sing our hand-washing song. Turn on the tap, let's start the flow. Splishy, splashy water, ready, set, go. Squirt out some soap, just a little bit. Rub your hands together, make some bubbles with it. Scrub-a-dub-dub, it's our hand-washing song. Healthy and clean all day long. Now dry those hands. Let's pour our blue jello powder into our mixing bowl. Next, we're going to add 1.5 cups of hot water to our bowl. I'm going to use my hot water tap to fill this up. Now let's pour it in and mix it with our spoon. Stir and mix, stir and mix, stir and mix. Now that the powder has been mixed into the water, we can add 1.5 cups of cold water. Time to mix again. Stir and mix, stir and mix, stir and mix. Now let's use our ladle to put our jello mix into each cup. A ladle is a spoon with a deep round part, which can hold a lot of liquid. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This jello needs to harden, so I'm going to put our jello cups onto this plate and into the fridge for 2 to 4 hours. See you soon. Our jello water is ready. Time to add in our boats. Magic Micro, what's the first boat we're going to learn about? A sailboat. A sailboat is called a sailboat because of its sail, which is like a big blanket that catches the wind. When the wind blows against the sail, it helps the boat move in the water. People use sailboats for different things. Some travel to different places. Some like to relax on the waves, feeling the boat gently rock, and some love to race their sailboats to see who can go the fastest. For our sailboat, we're going to use a tangerine slice and a strawberry for the sail. Ta-da! A sailboat! We can also add some crushed graham cookies to represent the sand. Our next boat is a ferry. A ferry is a big wide boat that carries people and heavy objects like cars across rivers or lakes. It's like a floating bus that takes people on short trips across the water. Some people use ferries to get from island to island or from island to land. Our ferry is going to be made of a piece of banana. Once again, we can add our sand. Ferries travel short distances from one piece of land to another, so we can put some sand here and some sand here. We can even decorate our little island with some chocolate rocks and this cute little umbrella. Magic Micro, which boat will we explore next? A ship! A ship is the biggest kind of boat. It can travel across oceans and seas. There are different kinds of ships. A cruise ship is a big fancy boat that has lots of rooms where people can stay and sleep. It's like a building on the water that takes you to different places. On a cruise ship, you can find swimming pools, restaurants with yummy food, and lots of fun activities to do, like watching shows and playing games. People go on cruises to travel to beautiful places. Another type of ship is a cargo ship. Cargo ships are like giant delivery trucks that float on water. Instead of carrying people, they carry things like toys, clothes, cars, and food in big boxes called containers. Cargo ships travel on the water from place to place, bringing in all sorts of things that people can buy in stores. For our recipe, we're going to be using this big piece of apple to represent the cargo ship. And then we'll add these little candies to represent the cargo. We can also add some pretend sand here. Magic Micro, so far all of these boats can float on top of the water. Are there any that can dive beneath the waves? A submarine! A submarine is a special kind of boat that can travel underwater. It has a long tube-like shape and special engines that let it dive deep below the surface. Submarines can stay underwater for a long time, letting people explore the ocean or go on secret missions. Some submarines are used by scientists to study sea creatures and underwater plants. Submarines are amazing because they can go where regular boats can't, giving us a closer look at the underwater worlds. What can we use for a submarine? I know! We can use a grape. We'll need to cut into the jello a bit to get the grape under it. Down you go. We'll need to cover that up though. Well, we can use some candy. And then a little graham cracker bear can be lying on top of it, floating on the water. We can also put another one in a little candy inner tube. Perfect! It has been so much fun learning about boats with you mini chefs. And you know, these aren't the only boats out there. There are also rowboats, fishing boats, canoes, kayaks, motorboats, and more. Sous Chef Encore must be done writing his boat song.
Hi, Chef Bisous. I'm back from my boat ride. Whoa! Look at all that! Those boat-filled jello cups you made with the mini chefs look delicious.
Thanks, Sous Chef Encore. Can we hear your boat song?
You bet. Magic Micro, work your magic. You can sing and dance along if you know this song.
On the blue, the water blue, are different types of boats. carrying you and me, everything in between, going coast to coast. Let's learn what each can do. Out on the water blue, this boat is big, so very big, traveling the open seas. On cruises we go, or carrying cargo, used for long journeys. I'm on a giant ship, out on the water blue, riding on a boat, riding on a boat. It goes splish splash shoot through the waves. Riding on a boat, riding on a boat. It goes chugga chugga through the waves. Out on the water blue, this boat goes deep, so very deep, diving beneath the waves, exploring the sea silently in underwater caves. I'm on a submarine, out on the water blue, riding on a boat, riding on a boat. It goes splish splash through the waves. Riding on a boat, riding on a boat. It goes chugga chugga through the waves. Out on the water blue, there are boats for sports, adventure and fun, fishing, skiing, sailing in the sun. Choose a boat for what you wanna do, kayaking, rowing, or paddling canoes. This boat is wide, so very wide, carrying people and cars, crossing the bay several times a day, only going so far. I'm on a ferry, out on the water blue, riding on a boat, riding on a boat. It goes splish splash through the waves. Riding on a boat, riding on a boat. It goes chugga chugga through the waves. Out on the water blue, riding on a boat.
Sous Chef Encore, you outdid yourself with that one.
Thanks, Chef Bisous.
Learning about the different types of boats in your song was so much fun. I think it's time for us to set sail back to the kitchen and tidy up so that we can taste our boat-filled jello cups.
Sounds good to me. Magic Micro, can you please send us back to the kitchen?
Whoa!
Thanks, Magic Micro.
Sous Chef Encore, we should tidy up before tasting these yummy boat-filled jello cups.
I'm on board with that idea.
Tidy, 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 everyone should clean. Tidy, 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 part of the routine. Tidy, 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 put your things away. Tidy, 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 for another day.
Thank you for joining us today to learn about boats. As always, a yummy dish deserves a chef's kiss.
This has a boatload of flavor.
Bye, mini chefs. We can't wait to learn and cook with you again.
Chef Bisous.
Hey grown-ups, like and subscribe and head over to our website, chefbisous.com, for free activities, recipes, music, and more for your mini chefs. Thanks for watching.